everybody, welcome to the video. This is going to be a quick tutorial on how to shift quickly. This is a style of shifting that I use when racing. The idea behind this is to remove any unnecessary movements from your gear changes and to minimize the time between gears. The way this works is by simultaneously disengaging the clutch as you move the shifter to the next gear. So when normal driving, you would floor the clutch, shift to the next gear, and then release the clutch again. The way this is done is to simultaneously disengage the clutch as you're moving the shifter. So by the time the clutch is disengaged, the shifter is already into the next gear. And when doing this, you don't necessarily need to floor the clutch. All you need to do is blip the clutch to the grab point, and that will allow enough load to be pulled off the transmission for you to get into the next gear. You should know the grab point on your clutch, and once you know exactly where that is, you should target to blip the throttle to that spot when shifting fast. As you can see in the video, I'm just blipping the clutch just enough to deload the transmission so I can get into the next gear. This is the same gear change again, but showing the hands and the feet synchronized. Now, all transmissions and clutches are different, so you'll have to learn yours to understand how this works best. But for example, in my car, the higher gear I'm in, the less clutch is needed to change gears. So in first to second, I nearly have to floor the clutch, but when I get into fifth gear, I barely even need to use the clutch. Hopefully this is beneficial to you. Go out and try it in your own car and see how it works. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.